And so what's the positive business impact it has for organizations?
I think we can reduce that chronological approach to audits, for example, where we have that continuous flow that reduces the friction of, every now and again we need to do a certification campaign. If we know that we can keep the data clean, we're going to eliminate some of that effort early on. I think also from an operational efficiency point of view, we can ensure that we have the necessary controls from a security perspective. And also think that we can, by continuously monitor and observe and act on some of the issues that we detect, reduce the risk surface. And as we know, identity is the new or primary attack vector. And if we can tackle that, I think we offer a better security posture for companies.